How to change account in Monopoly Go. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how to change account on Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to open up your Monopoly Go app. To change your account in Monopoly Go, you just need to click the three tabs on the top right corner. Then once you're here, you need to go to settings. And then click the connect account. As you can see right here, I have connected my Facebook account here in this game. So to change it is you just need to disconnect it by tapping the first option and click disconnect. Then as you can see right here, the disconnect button has changed into play with friends. You can now connect your other account. And there you go guys. That's how to change account in Monopoly Go. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video.